Greetings to my audience. This is Advocate Jyoti Kumari from Shri and Shri Law Associates. The Supreme Court of India has delivered a judgment that affects environment, education, and corporate responsibility. Some people are calling it progressive, others are calling it dangerous. So, let's understand this latest Supreme Court judgment in simple words. Let us know first what is this case about. This judgment deals with three major issues: mining in Aravalli Hills, illegal admissions in dental colleges, how companies must spend their CSR money. Now, let us go with key points. First point: Aravalli mining. The Supreme Court allowed mining activities in certain Aravalli areas below 100 meters. Earlier, these areas were mostly protected. Why this matters now? Aravalli Hills protect groundwater. They act as a natural barriers against desertification. Many villagers and environmentalists are worried this could cause long-term damage. Point number 2. Rupees 10 crore fine on colleges. The court fined 10 private dental colleges in Rajasthan rupees 10 crores each. Reason: students were admitted without proper NEET eligibility. Court said education cannot be treated as a business. This sends a strong warning to private institutions across India. Point number 3. CSR and environment. The Supreme Court clearly said the CSR funds must include environmental protection projects. This means companies can't ignore environment in the name of CSR. Tree plantation, pollution control, sustainability matter legally now. Let us know why this judgment is important. This judgment affects villagers living near Aravalli, students seeking fair admissions, big companies and corporates, India's environmental future. It shows how the Supreme Court is trying to balance development and responsibility. Controversy and debate. Environmentalists say mining approval is risky. Education experts welcome strict actions on colleges. Corporates now face tighter CSR expectations. So, reactions are mixed. In my opinion, the ruling on education and CSR are powerful and necessary. But on mining, unless enforcement is extremely strict, the judgment could become dangerous in the long run. Overall, the judgment reflects on attempt to balance economic development in accountability and environmental responsibility. This long-term impact will become clearer in the coming years. So, stay informed, protect the rights, and follow the law. And for more legal knowledge, stay connected with my channel and me. Thank you.